Today, we're diving into a topic that could impact your wallet, your job, and America's future. With Donald Trump's recent proposal to impose higher tariffs on imports, especially from China, economists are warning about potential big changes ahead. Let's break down what this means for you and the U.S. economy in 2025. What are tariffs? Let's start with the basics. Tariffs are taxes on imported goods. Trump's latest proposal includes a 60% tariff on Chinese imports and a 20% tariff on imports from other countries. These tariffs are designed to protect U.S. industries and encourage consumers to buy American-made products. But as we'll see, they could come with some serious trade-offs, positive and negative impacts. So, what's the impact of these tariffs? On the positive side, supporters say they'll protect U.S. jobs, especially in manufacturing, and reduce dependency on foreign products. This approach could potentially bring some industries back to American soil and strengthen domestic production. But here's the catch. Tariffs also tend to raise prices. According to recent estimates, the typical American household could end up spending an extra $2,000 to $4,000 each year due to price increases on everyday items. This could include everything from electronics to clothing, and even cars, as companies pass higher import costs on to consumers. Real-world examples. Imagine you're buying a smartphone. Many components are imported from China, and a 60% tariff means that parts and assembly costs could rise significantly. This would lead to higher prices for consumers, making everyday technology purchases more expensive. The same goes for products in agriculture and retail. Businesses that rely on foreign parts or materials will face increased costs, which may lead them to cut jobs or raise prices, affecting their competitiveness and potentially slowing down economic growth. Economic impact projections. Experts project these tariffs could lead to a decline of up to 1.9% in U.S. GDP, as businesses grapple with higher costs. This dip in growth could slow job creation and potentially increase inflation, as goods become more expensive across the board. While some companies may try to bypass these tariffs by shifting production to other countries, any direct increase in costs is likely to have ripple effects throughout the economy. Global trade relations. And it's not just the U.S. that's affected. These tariffs could strain international trade relationships, especially if China or other nations retaliate. American companies operating overseas could face new barriers, and we could see a widening trade conflict, adding even more complexity to an already challenging global economy. So, what's next? If these tariffs take effect, we could see shifts in prices, job markets, and the overall economy. As concerns about China's economic influence grow across party lines, it's clear that trade policies will remain a hot topic. We'll keep an eye on how these tariffs play out and what they mean for American families and businesses in the coming months. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how global policies impact you. Let us know in the comments. How do you think these tariffs will affect your spending in the future?